In primetime news this evening, another push. Government to reintroduce NIDS bill. Tragedy. RJ Arglina employee and UTech student among the latest road fatalities. And the verdict is in. Man accused of killing a woman and her daughter found guilty.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Vashon Brown has our preview. Vashon.
Thank you very much, Janella. Is the inflation rate being measured accurately? At least one parliamentarian doesn't think so, but why? I'll tell you later on in the Business Day.
All right, thank you, Vashon. From business, we go to sports. Spencer Darlington, what's coming up?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, one reggae boy reportedly wants to leave his U.S. Major League club. Why is that so, though? Stick around for the details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, do you agree that the government should pay the legal fees for police officers facing job-related criminal charges?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News returns right after this break.